Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Prohire TRUCKTV. And today we're up in the wonderful realms of Lancashire with the rain on us at a company called Solomon Commercials. Now, Solomon Commercials I've been dealing with for the thick end of 25 years, and they're one of the premier refrigerated bodybuilders in the UK. We're looking today at one of our vehicles we've got in build currently, and of course at Prohire you're fully aware that we do a full range of commercial vehicles with refrigerated bodies and vans on full contract hire, and we've just come to have a quick look at some of the products we've got in build today, or one of them particularly. And one of the things I like to say as well and talk about this stuff, and we mentioned it in an earlier video, most people today are asking me about electric or alternative fuels and hybrid and battery power and H2 and all the other things that go around with that. But realistically, there's an awful lot of things you can do in your own businesses to reduce the carbon footprint, and I'm going to look at one or two of those things today and just give you a feel for that. So what we are joined with is one of our vehicles with a lovely Mercedes-Benz chassis, the new type, and of course, you know, the new chassis are extremely well appointed, and from a modern commercial vehicle, you know, when I talk about in previous videos something being vanny, this is very car-like and reminiscent very much of a C-Class Mercedes that you would know to come and love, and it really is a well-appointed piece of equipment. But talking about how we keep that green, of course, with the Mercedes-Benz product, the fuel consumption is very lean, and it's very good on fuel for diesel. But a great lightweight body, and of course Solomon's make a wonderful body. You know, it's extremely light, well appointed, and does exactly as it says on the tin. You know, forgive the noise, we're surrounded in Anthony and Blake. The sales directors allowed me to go into their yard today and make a nuisance of myself, which I do on a regular basis, so I do apologise for that. But certainly for me, the quality of the vehicles speak for themselves. You know, air curtain, low divider, converter evaporators, full step. But this vehicle carries an extremely good payload of around a tonne, and when I consider back in the early days of my boyhood doing refrigerated vehicles, a vehicle like this just wasn't even conceivable, and the best you could ever get was about 600 or 700 kilos on a vehicle of this size. And you know, again, when I talk about fuel and CO2 reduction, you're carrying far more payloads now than you're ever capable of doing on a modern vehicle, better fuel consumption, and a 20 to 30% better payload, which of course in itself, in its own right, gives a CO2 benefit. And what I try and do, and what I want to try and do, is when we are talking to our customers, is look at their entire fleet, their whole profile around how that fleet is put together, and then work out how we can reduce the CO2. And it isn't just about electric vehicles, of course, it plays a massive part and will do going forward into the next few years. But certainly for me, vehicles like this are really going to be a key for that. Over the next few weeks, we're going to look into our podcasts, and in that part there, what we're really going to be talking about is two companies like this, and to Anthony and one or two others, and they're going to talk about how they've built their bodies around fuel consumption, about aerodynamics, and about how we can remove the CO2 without actually ripping out the internal combustion engine. And of course, they're very important, and if we can get that bit right and add electric as well, you know, the world really is going to be a much cleaner place. You know, one of the things for me is always trying to keep on top of what is modern and what's fresh and where it's going to be. But let's not forget the crux of running a fleet and how we actually try and keep everything tight, keep every penny saved. And of course, every kilo of carbon saved, it generally is a fuel saving as well. So it really is, you know, incumbent upon us all to see how well we can make that happen. So I hope you had a bit of enjoyment, a bit of fun looking at something which is where I'm going to be taking us in some of the future editions on joining up alternative fuels with bodybuilding techniques to reduce and remove CO2, and of course it's extremely important that we all follow that journey along to the best of our abilities, because it is really in our gift to make the changes in this. Now, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, share. It makes a big difference to what we do. Some of the things that we're going to do coming forward, really, the podcasts are going to be really interesting, and again, we'll make sure you've been fully appraised of those before we do come out. Again, you know, it's been a pleasure as always, even though it is raining, to be involved in something where I can connect with people and we can talk about all the things that we do. And of course, every vehicle you see, including this one, is available on full contract hire from Prohire. You know, every week we're going to try and bring something new, and every week we're trying to bring a talking point. Please give us a shout if you need anything, and we'll see you again soon.